Quotation is the first key you send to a customer. Before execution, before selecting materials, and before the site work, it builds trust. So, how professional you send a quotation is very important because that shows how professionally you work, what is the process, and how structured it is, and how serious are they about the project. But now, when it comes to modular quotations, it takes a lot of time to create because it is very complicated, which has lot of modules, finishes, hardwares, variations, and whatnot, with endless permutations and combinations. And if you're doing it in Excel, you already know the pain. Formulas break, formatting takes time, revisions takes forever, and your team end up spending hours to create quotation, right? But because of that, you don't know it is affecting your business, because if you're sending less quotations, the probability of converting client is also less. So the more number of quotations you send and how efficiently you make that and how professional it is, you accelerate your growth automatically. That's exactly why we have built Quotation 2.0 in Xylo, where you can simply select modules, choose finishes from the drop downs, tick what you need, and the system calculates everything for you. But what even makes it more powerful is the presets that we have recently launched. Presets are not just add ons, presets allow you to predefine every module combination with different hardwares, different modules, what shutter you want to apply, everything structured. Instead of building quotation from scratch, now everything you can make it in a single time. You can simply apply preset and your entire qualitative analysis is ready in seconds. Hi, I'm Aditi, and in today's video I'll show you how to create professional modular quotations in Xylo using our modular calculator that we have recently launched, and how presets can drastically change and reduce time while increasing your efficiency. So let's not wait and let's get started.